Hello, dear students. Welcome to our new lesson. Today's topic is functions. In this topic, we will learn two basic concepts of functions as far as O levels and IGCSE exams is concerned. First is how we write a function and how we evaluate a function. And second one is composition of functions. Function basically is an expression of this form. X is variable over here. This is unknown. So this is called a function of x. Its numerical value depends upon the value of x. We put any value of x and we get the numerical value of the function at x is at that value of x. Function is basically written in two different ways. These are two different ways to write a function. F of x, this is read as f of x is equal to 4x minus 9, and this is read as f is a function from x to 4x minus 9. That is, it takes x to this value. If we are given f of x is equal to 4x minus 9, this is called f of 2. Value of f at x is equal to 2. What we do simply, we replace x by 2 in the given expression and then simplify it. So what is f of 2? F of 2 is minus 1. This is called value of f of x at x is equal to 2. Similarly, I can find f of 3. For that, I will be required to put or replace x by 3. This will be 4 multiplied by 3 minus 9. 12 minus 9 equal to 3. So 3 is the value of f of x at x is equal to 3. Similarly, we can find the value of this function of x at any given value of x. Let us see f of 1 by 4. This is value of f of x at x is equal to 1 by 4. 4 multiplied by x will be replaced by 1 over 4, which will be 1 minus 9, which is minus 8. To further clear these concepts, let us solve one or two examples. We are given a function f of x is equal to 3x minus 5 and we have to find its value at. In part 1, we have to find f of 2. F of x is equal to 3x minus 5. So what will be f of 2? We will just replace x by 2, which is 6 minus 5 equal to 3. So value of f of x at x is equal to 2 is equal to 3. Now value of f at x is equal to minus 3. What will be its value at x is equal to minus 3? It will be f of x is what? F of x is 3x minus 5. So what will be f of minus 3? This will be 3. It was 3 multiplied by x. It will be 3 multiplied by minus 3 minus 5, which is minus 9 minus 5 minus 14. So this was f of minus 3. So these were two examples in which we calculated the value of function at a given value of x. Let us perform the same with another function. This function is 3x square minus x plus 1. F of x is equal to 3x square minus x plus 1. First, we have to find f of 2. This will be, x will be replaced by 2. 3 into 2 square minus what? Minus 2 plus 1. This will be 3 into 4 minus 2 plus 1. After simplification, it will be 11. So f of 2 is equal to 11. This is our answer. In the second part, we have to find the value of f of x at x is equal to minus 3. At x is equal to minus 3. F of minus 3. What is f of x? F of x is equal to 3x square minus x plus 1. So f of minus 3 will be 3 multiplied by square of minus 3 minus minus 3 plus 1. What is square of minus 3? It is 9. Negative, negative, it will become plus 3 plus 1. So this will be 27 plus 3 plus 1, which is 31. F of minus 3 is 31. This is how we find value of a function for a given value of x. Now, a different type of question. We are given a function of x and we have to complete this table. F of 2 is given 9, f of 3 is given, we have to find, f of minus 3 we have to find. Then value of function is given, we have to find the value of x. And in the last column row we have to find f of a. Let us complete this table. F of 3 is equal to, this is the function, we will replace x by 3. 3 multiplied by 3 plus 3, which is equal to 9 plus 3, 12. So f of 3 is equal to 12. F of minus 3, this will be 3 multiplied by minus 3 plus 3, which will be minus 9 plus 3 minus 6. So f of minus 3 is minus 6. Similarly, for this, f of a is equal to 3 multiplied by a plus 3. Since a is unknown, we cannot further simplify it. So this will be 3a plus 3. Now we come to the third row of this table. We are given the answer, we have to find the input value of x. Okay, we are given that f of x is equal to 3, this 3. We have to find what will be the x. F of x is this. This is equal to 3. Let us solve this for x. 3x is equal to 3 minus 3. 3x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 over 3, which is 0. So it will be f of 0. F of 0 is basically 3. So this was another question in which we use the concept of evaluating a function for a given value of x. This was first part of our today's lesson. Second part is basically the composition. Composition of one function upon another. This is a very huge concept, but in this our class we will just learn its basics. Suppose we are given two functions. One is f of x. Suppose it is 2x minus 1. Second is g of x. Suppose this is equal to x plus 5. We have already done that how we find the value of f of x at x is equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. and any given number. But if I say find f of g of x, this is called composition of f on g. It will be another function which will be composition of f and g. What we will do, how do we find f of 1? We replace x by 1. How do we find f of 2? We replace x by 2. How will we find f of g of x? We will replace x by g of x. This will be the first step. In f of x, x will be replaced by g of x. In second step, we will just put the values of g of x. What is value of g of x? X plus 5. And we will simplify it to get the third function, which is 2x plus 9. This is called composition of f on g. Composition of f on g. See, in the same way we can find composition of g on f. So what will be g of f of x? It will be, we will take this function, but in this function we will replace x by f of x. This will be f of x plus 5. This is the first step. In the second step, we will put the value of f of x and we will simplify it. This is 2x plus 4 g of f of x. Same way we can compose f on f or g on g. F of x is equal to 2x minus 1 in this question. If I say find f of x, so straightforward, we will replace x by f of x in this, and then we will put the value of f of x. To simplify it, this will be 4x minus 3. This is called composition of f on f, also called f square of x. You will learn these concepts in higher classes. So same way we can find composition of g on g as well. Let us learn this concept through some questions. First one is, we are given f of x and we are given g of x and we have to find f of x. What is f of x? F of x is 3x plus 1. What is g of x? G of x is 2x minus 5. So f of g of x, first step will be 3 times g of x plus 1. I have put g of x in place of x. Secondly, we will put the values of g of x and we will simplify to get the answer, which is 6x minus 14. This is composition of f upon g. This 6x minus 14 is composition of two functions. Another question. We are moving towards the end of today's lesson. F of x is equal to 2x plus 1 and g of x is equal to 7x minus 5. We have to find f of g of x. This is 2 times g of x plus 1, which is 2 times 7x minus 5 plus 1, further simplified to just performing the basic arithmetics, and we will get value of f of g of x. So this was our second question as far as composition of function is concerned. Dear students, today we have learned about finding the value of a function at a given value of x and then composing one function upon another to get a composite function. I hope you would have enjoyed today's lesson. Please subscribe, like and share this channel so that other students could also benefit from this, as well as you get notified whenever new videos are uploaded on this channel. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.